Hello guys, this is Piano Green and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your projects run faster. So this is an example project that I want to make faster as an example, and hopefully by the end of this video you'll be able to do it by yourself. So what you want to do is go to this link, it will be in the description, and it's totally safe so you can use it. So let's get started in making the project faster. So you go to the website that you want to make faster. It has to be a Scratch project. You copy this big number at the end of the link. You copy it, and then you go here and then paste it. So it's loaded in here. It'll be faster than the player here, and that's it for today's video. It's really easy to do, and you can do it yourself for some of your projects. So thank you for watching this video. Please give feedback by liking, disliking, commenting, or even subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!